Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by picking a single system and committing to it. Consistency matters. Once chosen, build 10 clear anchor images for digits 0, 9 and place them in a fixed memory palace location. Now take a 2, 3-digit number and convert it into your chosen images immediately so you form the conversion reflex. Make sure to speak the image aloud once and rehearse only 10-15 minutes to avoid fatigue. This starts the encoding process fast. Once done with anchors, continue by chunking longer numbers into consistent 2, 3-digit groups so conversion stays rapid. You convert each chunk into its image and then link images into a single miniscene. This creates a narrative flow that your brain remembers better than isolated items. Make sure to add a strong action or sensory detail between each image to cement associations. Practice converting and linking 6-12 chunks in one run to build speed and fluency. Finish by locking memories with spaced repetition. Review after 10 minutes, then after 1 hour, 24 hours, and 1 week to transfer to long-term memory. When retrieving, reconstruct numbers by reversing your images into digits and check for accuracy. This practice reveals weak links. If you hit a block, make sure to simplify, use shorter chunks, swap in a more distinctive image, or slow down for one trial, because clearer encoding fixes most recall failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.